So guys, this is the Losi Super Lasernut. It's a 1/6 scale, 6S. Guess you could call it a desert racer or a desert buggy. 4-wheel drive. This thing looks really awesome, super mean, super scale. It's got little mesh side guards, it's got people in it, it's got fire extinguishers, even has a full spare 17 mil hex wheel on the back. Now, like I said, this thing is a 6 scale and it's probably a little bit too big for the backyard track, but figured before we get it over to RC Madness in Enfield, Connecticut, I'll do a couple laps here and actually show you guys a new camera angle I'm trying to work on. I got it on 6S. It's definitely going to be a little too much power for the backyard track, but this thing is going to be a blast at RC Madness. The next competition is Jake's Typhon 6S on 4S versus the Lasernut. So it's the figure 8, right?
Yeah.
Which way are we going?
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
That's lap 1. I don't know, 3. No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did when you hit me off the big songs.
I don't think so. You stink. Ready? Go. 5 laps.
Oh, this thing's dead.
No, it's not.
Oh, you're gonna trash me on this thing.
keeping me in it is the lights. Two. Woo! Maybe your remote's on like 70% or something.
You put on 70.
I didn't, but maybe it is. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. Oh, you cheater.
I'm going.
Oh, I smoked you around that corner. You did that to yourself. You did that to yourself.
Let's go. Left drive.
What the heck?
You know where I am.
I smoked you. I smoked you, you little stinker. All right, now it's time for some bashing.
Would you like fries for that? Would you like fries for that?
So the Losi Super Lasernut was a blast at RC Madness and was even actually pretty good fun in the backyard. As you can see, I put it to good use. This thing is super dirty. Could probably use a wash down. I noticed that these little faux control arms, whatever they are, one of them keeps kind of popping down while the other one is up. So I gotta just pop that back up when I take the body off. But no issues with this thing. I know I sent it off some pretty big jumps. I know it's not really meant for that, but it handled it really well. Suspension's a little bit soft, but I think with these tires, it really absorbed some of those big air jumps as well. But super fun truck. If you can find one cheap, or if you're just really into that desert buggy racer sort of vibe, I would say definitely pick one of these things up. They're super fast, super controllable, and they really turn heads. So thanks again for watching. I got a couple more cars coming up that I want to review, and maybe some boats before winter time. See you in the next one.